Welcome to English for Everyday Life. Today we're talking about books and reading, a topic that's perfect for showing intellectual curiosity and making genuine connections with other people. Reading is one of the best ways to improve your English, and talking about books gives you rich vocabulary and natural conversation starters. Let's begin with genres, the categories of books. Literary fiction explores the human condition through complex characters and beautiful prose. Thrillers and crime novels focus on suspense and mystery. Science fiction and fantasy create imagined worlds. Biography and autobiography tell real people's stories. And nonfiction covers everything from history to science to self-help. When recommending a book, a few phrases work very well. If you love it, say, "You have to read it, it's absolutely brilliant." Or, "I couldn't put it down, I read the whole thing in 2 days." Or, "If you enjoyed the Da Vinci Code, you'll love this, it has the same pacing but much better writing." To describe a book more fully, talk about its plot, the sequence of events, and its characters. You might say, "The protagonist is completely fascinating, deeply flawed but so compelling." Or, "The supporting characters are what make it, they're also well drawn." Theme is an important literary concept. The theme is a central idea or message explored throughout the book. You might say, "The main theme is about identity and belonging. The author keeps returning to the question of who we really are versus who we pretend to be." Writing style is another great topic. You might say, "The prose is absolutely beautiful. Every sentence has been crafted with real care." Or, "It's quite dense, it demands concentration, but the ideas are worth it." Book clubs are a wonderful way to share and deepen your reading. They push you to read outside your comfort zone and to articulate your reactions in English. Today, we covered genres, recommending, discussing plot and characters, themes, and writing style. Reading is one of the greatest lifelong habits. See you next time.